Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can merge cells in Google Sheet. So let's get straight into it, step by step. So what we need to do now, I will select the cells which I want to merge. So this will be the F and G column right here. Now search for these arrows right here, merge cells you will see, and select merge type. And I will go with merge horizontally that I don't lose every number right here. So write that, and now we merged two columns together. So this is how you can merge cells in Google Sheet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.